Hello everyone! Guess what our DIY class is on today? How to blow the bubble balloon. So this bubble balloon comes in 4 sizes, 10 inches, 18, 24, and 36 inches, but that's when it's inflated. So you don't need to stretch, it's already pre-stretched, and this US bubble balloon is the best seller. It's made in China, but the plastic's from the US, so we definitely recommend it. We're using our 18-inch bubble balloon with an electric pump. You can use a hand pump, but we prefer electric instead. So what you do is take your bubble balloon, open the end of it like so, and then you just place it over the electric pump, hold on to it, and press down to inflate your bubble balloon to the right size. Don't pop it, but make sure it's nice and firm. Just check it to see, just like that. So all you have to do is just twist the ends really well and tight, and you tie it up, and that is all you have to do.